Well, the panorama van build is about to wrap up, and I'm going to be selling it, so I'm already looking for a new project. So I'm at this yard here looking for a new project. A lot of interesting things. Whoa, what is that? That is a medical attack vehicle on a Freightliner chassis. This thing is a beast. This would make an amazing conversion. Look at these big doors. Sits high up off the ground. Diesel. Big bumper. All these storage bins. This is like the ultimate toy. This is going to be the ultimate camper conversion. This is, believe it or not, I bought it. She's mine. I want to say a quick thank you to Ben and his company at Lewis Motor Company here in Maryland. They handle all sorts of very nice, cool trucks. You might find a project here. So I'm going to give you a quick before tour. Haven't touched anything. A lot of this stuff is going to be coming out. Salvage what I can. I'm not going to stick to just sticking in a sofa over here, a pull-out sofa. This is going to be a proper conversion. I'm going to take some walls out. It's got some great windows. Got a dual air conditioning system. So a lot of these bins, like down here, this is an external bin. These are kind of neat. They also, not only do they come all the way up for easy stocking, the shelves are adjustable. May try to save the upper level ones. You can smoke those out, make them solid. Kind of an interesting little thing here. It's extra seat, but it pulls down. Makes another table, desk. A lot of equipment is still in here. It's got to be decommissioned. Siren's got to come off. The lights have to be covered up. Does not have a pass-through door. One probably could be modified, but in the end, it's really for the best. The reason being, if there was a doorway there, it would have to articulate with the ambulance box. This way the suspension is separate and the box could move separate from the front chassis. But one could always be cut in, but I probably won't do that. There's only one thing that really is going to be a challenge. On some outside bays, the bottom bay is no problem to cut out, take out. The only thing here is just this bin. That's no big deal, not much electrics, but there it is. Best I can tell, most of this is to handle the flashing lights, sirens, things like that. From the videos I've seen with these, it's kind of best just to let this be and work around it. I'd like to take it down and have the room, but that's definitely going to be something that's going to have to be researched. Now, here's something cool. So you have this big bin. Now there's more headroom in the sides here because they go down below the floor. So if you look here, the floor level inside is somewhere along here. So this is an extra tall. This is over 6 feet tall inside here. And this was the oxygen tank storage. But this is going to make an amazing shower. And it's going to be so simple to do. Because this is a fiberglass box. This is an aluminum floor. Put a drain in it. Put your shower head up here, water pump. That's probably going to be, I shouldn't say this out loud, but that's probably going to be one of the easiest projects. Now this one has the Cummins Turbo Diesel and the Allison transmission, automatic. Still has the air horns. They still work. It's pretty fun. So this is it's got good running gear on it and should last a long time to come. So on another video we'll go over to the advantages and disadvantages. Right now, yeah, probably in the honeymoon phase before reality sits in. The next step will be got to get the locks redone so it can be secured, and then I got to transport it back to North Carolina. And then it's going to be disassembly and cleanup. This is going to be a long project. I hope you stick with me because I think it's going to be fascinating. You know, I come up with some crazy ideas that I've got some in my head and I am not going to tell you what they are other than the shower. So this is going to be pretty cool. So I hope you'll stick with me along this series and enjoy it. And I will be posting a video on the van. I've finished the insulated curtains. I'm going to do a video on it and it'll be up for sale. When it's up for sale in the video, I will put a link to the eBay listing. So if it's something you're interested in, just let me know. I do these projects more for the love of it and for doing it. I definitely don't do this for a profit. You know, I don't ever expect to get anything for my labor. I just try to get back the original money outlay for parts and bits when I do a project. So that'll be fun. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.